Welcome back to my channel. I am Shanae Moniz, and today I have another wig review for you guys. But before we get into it, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you guys can come and hang out with me all the time. Today I have another wig from Gorgius Hair, and the wig comes in this beautiful iridescent box. Inside the box you do get some goodies. I did take all the goodies out, but they all came inside of this pouch right here. This is the iridescent zipper pouch that they provided, and inside the pouch came a edge brush, bobby pins, a pair of tweezers, also came with 2 duck clips here, and then of course a wig cap. The wig did come inside of a silk storage bag, and I love getting these because it's just so much easier to store your wigs in these as opposed to the big bulky boxes. This is the wig fresh out of the pack, and let me tell y'all what I got. All right, so I have, the name of this wig is the Gorgius Rectangular Scalp Swiss HD Lace Yaki Straight Bob Wig with bang in 14 inches, okay? So it does come with like a bang here, and then it also has like the lace parting here, so it will mimic your actual scalp. The cap construction, I love these wigs. The cap construction on these wigs are absolutely amazing. It does come with 2 combs in the side. You do see your lace parting right there. It also has an elastic band, as well as adjustable straps and a comb in the back of the wig. All right, I am gonna go ahead really quickly and just pop this on my head and see exactly what it looks like straight out of the box before any styling. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig just plopped right out of on my head. I have not done any manipulation to it. And looking at it, I think it's gonna be really, really cute. So I have my flat irons heating up over here, and we are going to go ahead and start flat ironing this and kind of giving it some shaping. Also, if you guys see me looking this way, you already know the deal. This is where my mirror is, so this is where I'll be looking. I haven't quite got to the point where I'm able to actually do my hair with just using the viewfinder. I ain't there yet.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.
All right, you guys, and this is the finished look. It took me all of 5 minutes to pop this bad boy on and flatten out the top of it a bit because it was a little bit humpy, and run that flat iron through it. And this is the finished look, you guys. Now this wig, like I said, it is 14 inches, and I do have the settings on like the second to the biggest setting on this wig with the adjustable straps. So if your head is a little bit bigger, you do have a little bit more wiggle room as it pertains to cap size. But other than that, you guys, this wig is like, this is my type of wig, you guys. especially because we're trying to give my edges a break from all of the lace and things like that. My edges, this works perfect. I can just pop this on and off. Y'all, just go get the wig. Just go get it, because it's ridiculous how easy this wig was to apply to my head. And I love easy wig. I am so lazy when it comes to my hair. And y'all, this, I love it. This is my kind of wig. It is going to be linked down in the description box below, y'all. Just go get it. Go get it and thank me later, because this wig is bomb, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.